Are your kids spending too much time on screens this summer, and not enough time learning, creating, and enjoying real fun? What if you could give them something that keeps them busy, happy, and learning, all at the same time? As parents, we all face the same challenge every summer. How do I keep my kids engaged without boredom, screen addiction, or wasted time? Because let's be honest, after a few days, "I'm bored" becomes the most repeated sentence in the house. That's exactly why I created this summer activity book, a fun, creative, and educational way to turn your child's summer into something meaningful. This isn't just a book, it's a complete summer experience. Inside, your child will discover fun word searches that boost vocabulary and thinking skills, creative drawing pages to spark imagination, brain training puzzles and mazes for problem solving, cute coloring activities that relax and entertain, engaging counting and matching games for learning basics, writing prompts to help kids express their thoughts and ideas. From beach themes to summer fruits, animals, and adventures, every page is designed to make learning feel like play. This book helps your child stay away from excessive screen time, improve focus and creativity, learn while having fun, build confidence through independent activities, and for you as a parent, more peace, less stress, and a child who's happily engaged. Because summer isn't just about passing time, it's about creating memories, learning new things, and growing every day. So don't let this summer go to waste. Get your child the summer activity book today and turn every day into fun, learning, and creativity. Link in the description below.